We are going to discuss about a very most important topic is abstraction. So, firstly, we understand what is exactly the abstraction. Abstraction is nothing but it is the process of hiding the certain details and showing only the essential information to the user. Let me take a very live example. You have a car, you are using the brake and clutch. Don't bother about the internal functionality of clutch and brake. You just simply you press the clutch or brake. That's it. Okay. So this is what the abstraction. And now we will do the live practical example of abstractions. So here are the some properties of abstraction class and method. So we will understand one by one. Firstly, what is abstract class? So it is restricted class that cannot be used to create object to access it, and it must be inherited from another class. And one more important thing is abstract class or method always use with the keyword abstract. Let's start with the beginning. Like I have created a class B with name abstract class. Now here you can see public. I have added a method public abstract void body animal sound and public void slip. So here you can see I use the abstract keyword for the method and there is no body. Let me try to add a body. Okay, something else as y so x. So here you can see you are getting the error. What abstract method do not specify a body. So what does it mean? So abstract method can only be used in an abstract class. This is only be used in an abstract class. Okay, and it does not have a body. That is error we are getting. Okay, so let me clear this out. Now the first point is what abstract class is a restricted class and that cannot be used to create object. Let me try to create an object for it. So b obj is equal to obj is equal to new b this is. Now here what we are getting error cannot be initiate the type b. It's mean we cannot create the object for abstract class. This is also clear. Now the point is what the abstract class is restricted class that cannot be used to create object to extend. It must be inherited from other classes. So I have added the another class which is C and I use to inherited class B in the class C. Okay. So now I have inherited, let me clear it out. So here you can what the type C must be implement the inherited abstract method. So here we what we are getting add unimplemented method. So what we are doing, we are implemented this animal sound. But as we know, this is what the abstract. That's why we did extends keyword to inherit from the B. Okay. So this point is also clear. It must be inherited from the another class. Okay. Now I have another class C. Now I have created object for it. Now I'm calling animal sound and sleep. Let me run out. Oh, something is wrong. This is the C part. I'm missing something here. Okay, now it's clear. Okay, now let me try it again. It so this is what abstract class B run. Why it is not run sleep? Let me check it out. Sleep is not run. Why? Animal sound is clear, public voids. Why it is not run? All dot slip. Slip. What we have written in the slip? Abstract class B. Yeah, so slip is run, but the animal sound is not. Yeah, actually it is run, but we have not declared anything. So let me animal sound method is running. Okay. Now I'm running again. Run as Java application. So animal sound method is running. Abstract class B is also running. Okay. So this is what the abstraction. We have the important point. First, the data abstraction is the process of hiding certain details and showing only essential information to the user. The next is abstract class is a restricted class that cannot be used to create object, and to access it, it must be inherited from the another class. And abstract method is what can only be used in abstract class, and it does not have a body. The body is provided by the subclasses. Okay.